Hello lovely people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make moi moi, delicious moi moi. Okay, I'll be adding some special ingredients. I'll be using boiled eggs and boiled Titus fish. Okay, let me just put you through so you will see what I'm doing. Add the eggs, 1 egg. In the bowl I already have beans and yellow pepper and onions inside. Okay, I've just put 1 egg, 2nd egg, the egg will help it to bind very well. Okay, and the 3rd egg. A little ginger, a little garlic powder. That's why it's caked, but it will melt inside. I've added the garlic, the ginger, the curry powder, and crayfish. Okay, now I'm going to put the paste. Like I told you, I'm not going to fry anything. Everything will be the raw. This is the no fry method. Okay, I have my tomato paste. Just put 1 tomato paste. This is actually how many cups of beans? 4 cups of beans. Okay, that's 4 cups of beans. I've added the tomato paste, and I'm going to add the bouillon cubes. Just going to add 2 cubes. Squish it. You don't have to crush it so that somebody will not just go and eat Maggi in your mama. Eat bouillon cube. So salt to taste. Salt. I might add another bouillon cube, and that should be when I've tasted it. Then you are going to use warm water. Okay, I need to add the groundnut oil too. Groundnut oil. Just little. Okay. And it's that I'm not frying. That's just the thing. No frying. So I'm getting the water now. Time to add water. This is warm water. Okay, then mix. When I mix, I taste. I taste it to see if it needs more Maggi or more. I call Maggi, it's bouillon cubes, so I'm not using Maggi. It's bouillon cubes. I'm not going to say the one I'm using. You can see the tomato paste is making the color very lovely. If you want it more red, add another one. This one is okay. For 4 cups of beans. You can see. So now I'm going to taste for salt and Maggi. You must have to taste. This one is not measurement something. Taste. I'm going to add another water because it's a bit thick. Just a little water. Okay, so Let's taste for salt and bouillon cubes and all the other spices. Delicious. I added more salt and more bouillon cubes and one more tomato paste, so it's okay. The consistency is okay, everything is okay. Delicious. Once you taste it and it tastes okay, know that your moi moi will be tasty. Okay, so let's pour it in the moi moi plates. All right, let's put in the moi moi. I said my in the moi moi plate. Okay, so see, you're not going to fill it up. Like half is okay because it's going to swell up and then fill the plate. Okay, that's how they put it. Get it to at least half of the plate. Spoon. So it's a big plate. Make it nice. Avoiding making a mess. It's really tasty. It's going to be very delicious. Okay. Yummy, delicious and yummy. See how I'm putting it? Half of the plate. Half of the plate. Keep. Just turned it so that the ingredients will mix again. I don't want to make a mess. That's how you would do for all of them. Moi moi special moi moi. If you want your moi moi thick, you make the consistency thick, the texture thick. If you want it soft, you pour more water and make it soft. I don't know why I like soft food. Everything I cook, I like it soft. Some people like it very hard and thick. Okay. I have 12 plates. Don't know what I'm going to do if it remains. Maybe I'll just top them up. I'll top them up a little so that it can finish. I need to add more so that the moi will finish. So I'll add more on top of all of them, but I'm going to leave space for swelling up. A little space for swelling up. Oh wow, going to clean it. So it's finished. Let me see. Final one. Final bus stop. Okay. It's like sharing food. Okay. So the next thing is putting the eggs. 1 egg. I cut the fish into 4. So 1 part of fish, 1 egg, and fish. I boiled the fish. 1 egg and fish. 1 egg and fish. See? Put 1 egg and fish. 1 egg and fish. Egg. Fish. Egg. And fish. Boiled sauced fish. The fish is very tasty. Egg and fish. So that's how we'll do for all of them. Fish and egg. Okay. There you go. Boiled 10 eggs, but the plate is 12, so I'm going to just put fish in those ones. Oh, my plate is 14. I don't know. So the one that didn't get egg, just take fish. Okay. So that's it. Egg and fish. The remaining fish I'm putting these big ones. I removed the bone in the fish. I deboned it. Fish. Where are the big ones? All right, so it's time to put them in the pot. I have to cover them first. You cover, clean. The covers are not the same size. Some are big, some are small. I'll look for the particular size of each cover. Not sizing it. I try to fix the big. So I have this very big pot that I use. It has taken in all the 14 plates. Okay, so I've put water. Let's put it on fire. Alright guys, our delicious, yummicious moi moi is ready. So let me taste it and see how it is. Okay, this one has the fish. And see. So tasty. This one has the egg. Let's see. I use egg or fish to eat it. It's still hot and soft. I like it hot and soft. Very tasty. I want to eat fish. Okay. It's heavenly. Very heavenly. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.